Second purpose-built MG for P. Bandai from the ground up. Not sure what I want to do here. Maybe, excuse me, maybe I'll fully resurface this whole line here. Maybe that's the most straightforward thing to do. Still see mold lines in there, unfortunately. But it'll work, it'll work. Where is it? Where's it at? Where's it at? Oh, I didn't get the nicer one out. Okay. Since this is interesting, since it is what it is top coated. I actually don't want to use my standard grits. I might even go lower than this. I do want to go lower than that. Interesting. But not that low. Something in between. Tricky. Maybe a fresh one of these. Yeah, because this is pretty worn. That's what's going on. This is pretty worn. That's why it's polishing. All right. Well, I'm just gonna discard that for now. Barely enough room to get this back in. Come on. Okay, where was I? This is really interesting. I've not tried to trim things with a semi-gloss coat before. The matte with the Stormbringer was tricky. It looks like this might actually be easier. That's the nub that was broken, though, I think. Or one of the ones that was broken. That goes a little bit deeper, unfortunately. Get the edge off of it.
Gundam. Gundam.
Welcome. Rick, for you, thanks for stopping in. Thanks for hanging out. Hope that you enjoyed it. I'll be doing more Gundam tomorrow, but the day after I will return to Lego stuff and all August 1 releases. Got some pretty big things to build. So if you'd like to focus on the Lego side of things, you can do so. You're welcome to come back tomorrow if you want to see some nice progress on this. But either way, thank you for stopping in while you did. Take care. Small suits. The F90s are small, yes. And Robot Wizard, thank you for your cheers. Hobby with Tim, hello. Good afternoon, evening to you. Tend to have ABS. Gotcha. This is exactly the phase that I thought would start to slow me down. But lucky for me, this kit is mostly white, which makes most of it faster, simpler, easier. I think the semi-gloss finish is going to be a lot easier. It's going to continue to be a lot easier.
Super easy, barely an inconvenience.
To work. Exactly. So ultimately the worst stress